The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has finally launched its new K-series phone in China called Redmi K90 Pro Max, with Bose-tuned stereo speakers. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi K90 Pro Max features a tall 6.9-inch 2K resolution OLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3500 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Dragon crystal glass on the top. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 840 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Redmi K90 Pro Max features a triple rear camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture, plus 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 5x optical zoom support, and there is another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 102-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and it can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7,560 mAh battery, with 100 watts wired fast charging support, and 50 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 out of the box, with HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.33 by 77.82 by 7.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 218 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi K90 Pro Max has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in denim blue, gold and white, black, and a special Lamborghini edition. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi K90 Pro Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.